first. What is it? Rice cereal. Yummy. You like it? You want some more? Oh, you're ready. You're ready. He's like, heck yeah, I'm eating at the table. Big boy.
Who's the big boy now?
Yeah, you're doing good, handsome. Wow, he really likes it.
I want to see how he does with carrots.
That won't be for a couple months.
With a Hitler haircut.
Or I'll see you choke on it. He's trying to get it from her mom.
Good
Doing
job.
good.
Kitty's trying to get the spoon from her mom.
God, he really likes it.
Yeah.
He's like,
Eat me.
yeah. Here it comes. Here it comes. Here it comes. Here it comes.
Hey, come on, hurry up.
Here it comes. Here it comes.
He's attacking it.
Yeah, he's hungry for it.
Attack!
It's right